Now we are going to take a quote and place each word separately in a list. Here's how you do that. Our quote string, fall 7 times, stand up 8. Here's my list. I'm going to call it quote list. It's going to equal quote string dot split. I'm going to tell it double quote, and I could have single quotes in there, double quote, space, double quote, close paren, and it says, listen, I want you to split up the quote string, put it in quote list, and everywhere you find a space, that's what the double quote, space, double quote means. Every time you do that, you split this separately. So now when we print the new list, we have fall, comma, 7, comma, times, comma. There's the dash because anywhere it finds a space, it puts that as its own piece of the list. Then stand, comma, up, comma, 8. And we have separated each one of these words everywhere we found a space into our new list.
This lesson brought to you by Coffing Data Warehousing. Need to learn SQL for Netezza, Teradata, or Aster? Visit coffingdw.com for our helpful training guides. With Teratom, SQL stands for So Quickly Learned.